Okay, yes, sir. Hey. The last aim, I would say the last aimer. The last ender was on point also. Hey, I fuck with these black and white visuals though. And a camera movement with all the characters. Hold on, who did this ending? Shit. I can't check. That's unfortunate. Damn, the visuals are so damn sexy. And the song is pretty straight too. Okay, power getting with it. Yeah. Like this whole animation of the like shattered glass, I'm just fucking with it so heavy. Yeah. This is gonna be in my top, part of my top 3 when it comes to the visuals. God damn, this looks so good. Holy moly. Oh yeah, 100%. This is up there as the best visuals. Holy shit. So mesmerized by all of this. Wow, you guys gotta let me know down below if yeah, you know that did it right there. That part did it right there when it came to the visuals. Holy shit. But like I was saying before, like you guys gotta let me know down below, like am I tripping or is this like visually stunning to you guys too?